Best Canon camera. The demand for high-performance cameras continues to grow as more creators, travelers, vloggers, and professionals look to capture moments with clarity and style. Just like mechanical keyboards appeal to typists and gamers for their precision and build quality, Canon cameras attract photographers for their reliable image sensors, ergonomic designs, lens compatibility. Product number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. A strong entry-level DSLR, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 provides an accessible path into photography without sacrificing image quality. Equipped with an 18-megapixel APS-C sensor, it delivers crisp, colorful shots suitable for beginners, hobbyists, and students learning manual controls. The kit includes 2 lenses, the EF 18 to 55 millimeters for everyday shooting, and the EF 75 to 300 millimeters for impressive zoom, making it a versatile setup for landscapes, portraits, and wildlife photos. The built-in Wi-Fi allows quick image transfers to your phone, ideal for sharing on social media. While it does not support 4K video, and its autofocus is slow. Product number 2. Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. The Canon EOS R50 is designed for creators and vloggers who want high image quality and a compact body. It features a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor and Canon's latest dual-pixel CMOS AF2, offering fast, accurate autofocus with subject tracking. Perfect for travel and everyday shooting, the lightweight design ensures comfort during long content creation sessions. The included RFS 18 to 45 millimeter lens covers a useful zoom range for landscapes, portraits, and lifestyle photography. With 4K video oversampled from 6K, footage appears sharp and vibrant. Product number 3. Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a professional-grade full-frame camera that excels in both photography and video. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel sensor and next-generation dual-pixel CMOS AF, it tracks subjects with extraordinary precision, even in low light. The camera offers up to 40 FPS burst shooting, making it perfect for sports, events, and wildlife. Videographers will appreciate its oversampled 4K 60p recording and excellent image stabilization for handheld shooting. The weather-sealed body ensures durability in demanding conditions. While it comes at a premium price, product number 4. Canon EOS RP full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. For photographers seeking full-frame performance without the large price tag, the Canon EOS RP is one of the most approachable options. Lightweight and comfortable to hold, it features a 26.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering excellent detail and low-light performance. The included RF 24-105mm lens offers flexible zoom coverage for travel, portraits, and everyday shooting. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, making this camera easy for beginners to learn. Although it lacks some advanced autofocus and video capabilities seen in higher-end models, the EOS RP remains a compelling choice for hobbyist. Product number 5. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III digital camera. Compact, powerful, and creator-friendly, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is a top pick for vloggers and social media content creators. Featuring a 1-inch 20.1 MP sensor and a Bright f.18 2.8 zoom lens, it excels in low light while delivering smooth background blur for cinematic footage. The camera's standout features include 4K recording, vertical video support, and direct live streaming to YouTube, making it a highly practical tool for online creators. The flip-up touchscreen is perfect for filming yourself, and the fast autofocus ensures sharp subjects. While it lacks an external viewfinder and has shorter battery life than larger